Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. New crop trench coats from Free Assembly. So these have the oversized collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, side pocket. It has this little button on the wrist so you can make it a little tighter. Has that same kind of fit through the back. Really nice details in the green. It also comes in the camel, and they're going to be $36. New jumpsuits from Free Assembly. These have a smaller collar, full button, belted waist, flat pocket through the leg. It's a relaxed fit. These do look like they're a little shorter, and then it does continue around the back with the belt and a little bit of elastic with pockets. Seam detail, and then how cute is that little button on the sleeve. Comes in the navy, also in the green, and they're $36. New zip sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have the mock neck when it's zipped up, or that oversized collar when it's unzipped. The seam detailing, it's completely ribbed, oversized ribbed bottom with a little slit, ribbed wrist, and it is a balloon style sleeve. That same kind of fit through the back with the ivory and green stripe. Also comes in the gold, and they're $26. New satin button-down shirts from Scoop. So these have that mid-size collar, full button, the seam detailing going across. Also has the banded with the bell sleeve. It's a relaxed fit with the seam in the back in the ivory. Also comes in black, and they're $22. In those same colors, they have these new satin tanks. So these have a thicker strap, scoop neckline. It is shorter, it's a boxier fit. In the ivory, also comes in black, and they're $16. New color in the quilted jacket from Free Assembly. This has that rounded neckline, the little drawstring at the waist with the elastic wrist. That same fit through the back in the green. Also comes in the navy, and they are $34. New skirts from Scoop. So these have that side button zipper. It's the midi length with the slit in the front. It is completely lined, and then no pockets on the back, but it does have belt loops. In the green, also comes in the, I know the black one is different. So this one is going to be $26, and then the black is a pleated faux leather. It's nice and flowy. Has the side zip. It's also lined, and these are $34. New print in the dress from Scoop. So this one has the tie front, smocking around the neck. It has smocking on the wrist, and then also on the waist, flowy, and then the same around the back. We saw this in the solid olive, and these are $38. New funnel neck sweatshirts from Scoop. So this is that scuba material. It has the side seam detailing, the drawstring, banded wrist, and then also is the banded bottom. In this brown, it's like a mushroom color, and they're $22. New burgundy pant from Gloria Vanderbilt. This is the Amanda. It's the slimming jean. Belt loops. They are more of like a tapered style leg. And then that same fit. These are $24.98. They also come in the dark indigo. They're solid black. And then the mid-tone. The solid black has really fun pockets. New denim dress from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar, full button, elastic in the waist and midi length, button detail on the wrist, and then the seam in the back. That elastic does go all the way around. These are $40 in the black, and then it also comes in the cream. New rib top from Scoop. This one has that higher neckline, the longer sleeve fitted through the body, and then the same through the back. And these are going to be $24. New zip sweatshirts from No Boundaries. So these are mock neck. They have the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. In the green, we also saw this one in some other prints and colors. I think, when did I show it? I think it was the last No Boundaries video that you could see all the other prints and colors in this, but they're $14.98. New jumpsuit from No Boundaries. So this one's strapless, super soft kind of French terry material. Has that band with the sticky on the inside, seam detail with the belt, pork chop pockets. It is a straight leg, and then there's elastic going through the back. How pretty is this color? It's like an acid wash black. And these are $18.98. It kind of reminds me of Free People. New rib slip dresses. These are from No Boundaries. So it has the thin strap, scoop neckline, midi length, and then squared in the back. In the blue, also comes in that mushroom brown, and they're $10. And then in that same kind of rib material, they have these new scoop neck dresses. Longer sleeve, midi length, in the black. Also comes in that orangey pink. And these are $10. New cropped button-down shirts from No Boundaries. So these have that mid-size collar, full button, has this little flat pocket. Cropped, shorter through the front, is a relaxed fit with the button on the wrist. And then the same across the back. Comes in the blue and white stripe. Oh, there's also a smocking in the back. Did I say that? There's a white and then also black. Some pinstripe options. And they are $14.98. New lace tops from No Boundaries. These have a sweetheart neckline, seam detailing under the bust. It's fitted, completely lined in the ivory. Also comes in this mauve. There's a black, and they are $9.98. And then on this side, there's also a scoop lace top from No Boundaries. So this is a seamless material. It is sheer. Has that short sleeve. This is the large, so I would say true to size. It also comes in the ivory, and they're $8.98. New mock neck rib tops from No Boundaries. See, these are nice and stretchy. They are fitted a little shorter. Have that quarter zip with the short sleeve. In the ivory, also comes in the burgundy. There's the black and the camel, and they're $9.98. Last time I was at this one, I'm at the one that's near Universal. They had a lot of these No Boundaries little graphic tees. So this has the baseball style, like color blocking on the sleeve, the little graphic. They have NYC left, and then also this track and field. These are from No Boundaries. Oh, there's one more. There's like a little burgundy star. And they are $7.98. How cute are these? They have little split neck baseball style tees. So these are ribbed and fitted. I was looking for something like this a couple of years ago, so I'm glad they have them now. But there's white and blue, blue with the white, camel with the white, and they are $9.98. New dresses from Jessica Simpson. These have that higher neckline with the little tie. You can untie it. Flutter sleeve, elastic in the waist. Nice and flowy skirt. The material is super soft. And then it has the same fit through the back. Comes in this patchwork print. Also in the navy floral. We saw that in some other pieces. And these are $36. You have a family member that has red and gold. How cute. It says university. It's a mesh material. Baseball or football. Or if you like the Kansas City team, these are $8.98. But there's not a whole lot of stretch, so I would say do not size down. But this has a plunging V, a like fluttery balloon style sleeve, the band at the waist, a nice flowy skirt, and then there's smocking in the back. Comes in the black, also in that blue, and these are regularly $30. New lace trim little pointel tees from No Boundaries. These have that squared neckline, fitted, has that same detailing under the bust, and then it's fitted through the body. It is a little shorter. In the olive, also comes in black. There's pink and ivory, and they're $9.98. It has the higher neckline, also has the puff sleeve. It's a nice relaxed fit through the body, really good length with the ribbing at the bottom, and then that same fit through the back. And this one is going to be $22. Also new colors in the crew neck sweatshirts from No Boundaries. So these are more of an oversized fit. They have the love with the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. That one's new. We saw this tie-dye. We also saw this tie-dye. I shared this one in the No Boundaries video. I love that little tie-dye. And these are $14.98. It looks like that purple does match back to these purple joggers from No Boundaries. So these are a soft fleece, elastic waistband, side pocket, the true jogger bottom. So in this style, they have the purple, it looks like ivory and gray. These have that crew neckline. It's a relaxed fit. This is a new color option. Also comes in the black, the white, and gray. And these are $9. Look at all the fun new Halloween leggings. These are from No These are that soft and stretchy material. So they have black with the spider webs. There's little crystal balls, and also black with the white and gray spider webs. There's this purple with the cats and skulls. And then on this side, they have the pumpkins. These are $6.98, the purple. And there's also a leopard. There's that black and brown. New Lululemon style tanks from Avia. And then we also saw the matching leggings, I think last week or maybe the week before. But these have the thicker strap V neckline. It has a built-in shelf bra. You really cannot beat these for the price. Blue, that mushroom, there's the lilac, and these are $12.98. I'll show the leggings really quick. So these are that same soft material fitted through the leg. These are also $12.98. They have the same purple color, so I'm not sure if they have some other matches, but they also have this blue. How cute are these new graphics? Did we see these? Yeah, I think we saw those. So they have this white with the Mickey, Hogwarts, Stitch. These are $19.98. Really cute new graphic tees from ladies. Have that crew neckline. They have the little leopard is new. There's also this charcoal with the daisies. Little pink with the floral. These are going to be $11.98. New Terra and Sky little puff sleeve rib sweaters. These are lightweight. They have that higher neckline. Puff sleeve. Terra and Sky is their plus line. So they have the pink and then also the green. And these are $19.98. They also have a new pant from Terra and Sky. These have that elastic waistband, drawstring side pocket, nice and flowy. In the beige, also comes in the green. And they're $17.98. New belted jacket from Terra and Sky has the mid-size denim collar, full button, these two slotted pockets, two flat pockets, button on the wrist, that seam detailing in the back. These are $29.98. And also new from Terra and Sky are these skirts. So these are about knee length. They have the button zip, side pocket, the little seam detailing with the slit. In the black faux leather, also comes in the mid-tone denim, and they're $19.98. For Halloween in the men's section, how cute are these little like accessories with the tee? So they have this little beanie with the Shrek. I have to get one of these. They have thing one with the little hat, the blue fur. There's, this is it, the little clown, and there's a red nose. Behind here is, oh, Bret Hart. That one. Oh, funny, it's like a muscle shirt with the glasses. Over here they have a turtle, super fun, and the little Care Bears. If you're taking your kids, you don't want to dress up. These are so nice for $11.98. And then there's also Where's Waldo. I love that. The men full flannels are out, $12.98. Probably one of the best deals you can find. So these have that smaller collar, full button. They have some really nice colors this year. The camel with the red, classic black and white buffalo check. There's a burgundy, green and the blue, a red and black buffalo check. This white is always my favorite with the blue and the camel. You just do a little tee, legging, size down if you want a little more fitted. They also have this blue and then another blue, and they're only $11.98. New pajama sets. These are licensed, smaller collar, full button, the little pocket with the shorts in the Nightmare Before Christmas. Also Beetlejuice. 2 pieces are $18.98. In the clear section they have some cute new Disney pieces. So they have the Rapunzel little clip-in. These are $12.98. Alice in Wonderland set, Cinderella, Rapunzel, all $12.88. They also have a Snow White clip set, a mini clip set. These are all $8.88. They have the little sticker earrings are $7.88. I should get those. My daughter doesn't have her ears pierced. And then little mini ears and the owl's bow. And we saw the little Jessie's, $9.88. Some more No Boundaries jewelry. The heart necklace is $5.88. They have all new ring sets. These are all $5.88. And the new Pioneer Woman bracelet set. These are $14.94. They have this turquoise set. There's the brown faux leather bracelet. This is beaded. And then the blue. New platform heels from Rampage. So these have that rounded toe. It has a really high platform, but a chunky heel, so you have that stability. Sling back with the buckle in the pink. Also comes in black, and they're $25. Also new from Rampage are these boots. So these have a rounded toe, not too much of a platform. Chunky heel. It has a pull-on with the elastic, and these are $30. Also new from Rampage are these slouch boots. So these have a round toe, chunky rubbered heel, zipper on the inside, elastic through the back, and they're $36. And they also come in wide width. And then these boots are from Mountain Sole. They also come in wide width. They have that round toe, the little buckle, chunky heel with the zipper on the inside, and they're $26. New slip-on. These are called the dress shoe. They have a round toe, the elastic, from Mountain Sole, and they're $26. New pumps from Time and True. These have a pointed toe, not too high of a heel. These are going to be $22.98. Also new from Time and True are these pumps. So these have a round toe, chunky heel, $22.98 in the black, and they also come in the nude. They're both like a suede fabric. Also new heels from Time and True. These have a pointed toe, sling back, kitten heel, really on trend in the metallic silver. They also come in black. There is an adjustable buckle, and these are $22.98. How cute are these from Madden NYC? They have the pointed toe, the bow, sling back with the kitten heel, and these are $28. They also have this style from Madden NYC. These have a pointed toe, completely studded, sling back, almost flat, and they're going to be $30. New flats from No Boundaries. These have the pointed toe, grommet detail, the little buckle with the sling back. These are going to be, I don't see a price. New sneakers from Madden NYC. These have that round toe, platform in the black with the gray suede, and they're $35. How cute are these new platforms? These are from Madden NYC. They have the round toe, silver buckle, that foam bottom. These are $26. And they have a new UGG style mule from Madden NYC. These have the round toe, all of that little embroidering, really plush inside. These are so nice for the price. They're only $32. They have a new UGG style boot from Time and True. These are genuine suede. They have that rounded toe. These are like the small, shorter length. They're $24.98. They also brought back these platform mules from No Boundaries. So these have a round toe, really plush. In the ivory, they're $16.98. And then in the leather, these have that foam bottom, the rounded toe, plush inside. They also come in the chestnut. They're $18.98. They have the flat option. This year they did a two-tone. Usually the black is all black. Round toe. These are $16.98. They all have the rubber bottom, so you can wear them outside. And then I showed you these little slippers in my haul. How cute. I don't see the brand, but they have corgis, the little sloth. These are only $14.98. The little leopard. How adorable. I love the pandas and the dogs. Also new from No Boundaries are these slides. So these have that foam bottom, the double band. These are $14.98. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.